Hello YouTube friends and fans. Today we're going to work on making this a usable cabinet again. So let's go inside and take care of it. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Well, I pulled the drawers back out because I got to put a handle on. And got to make it as well. Probably can't tell it real easy, but this side here I've already made a little bit bigger, and I'll do the same thing here. So the holes line up real good there, and you can tell they don't really line up this way. So we'll get this all cut apart here. They're close, they're not perfect. That's a little crooked. Well, we got to remove the drawers so we can install them and get a measurement. Really nice thing with this whole setup is I can hang it without having to fully hang it. One down, one to go. $16 it is. We'll cut a rod and get it installed. Well, we've got our rod, and I've put the measurements together. So now we just need to cut it off. Get all my stuff on here. Well, let's see how we did. That's factory. It's off a little, but not bad. I'll do some grinding on it so we can get it to weld up to the top. As you can see, we got the clamp set up. We're going to have to tack one side and then tack the other. That should be good enough to hold it. Let it cool down just a pinch, then we'll bring it down to the table and weld it. Put the old nut back together so we got it when we need it. It's supposed to just lift right off. Just like that. Well, one thing that's taught me, I'm not a welder. Still got a lot to learn. Let it cool before we go to try to put it back. We gotta do some cleaning up. Well, we got the handle all made up here, painted, ground it down. So, how about we get her installed? You remember, this has holes in it, so that makes the installation a lot easier. Boy, the old heat on this really made it move. Well, we got the handle on. We'll put it on the floor. I think we'll put it on the floor. What do you think about this? Because next we got to put the wheels on. Try putting the rollers on this way. Had to go get the knuckle joint. That'll help here. Let me take you in here, show you what I just figured out. This wheel does not sit down far enough, so it won't make the full turn, so that's not going to be any good. See, it gets caught over there. So we're going to have to put a spacer in there so it will turn all the way around all that. So I'll have to get some metal, cut it out, and pick up the video there. Alrighty, when I last left you, this wheel was put on here and it didn't rotate around, so what we're going to do, we're going to put it on here, and draw it up, and I think they're both the same width. Yep. So make a line here, make a speed square. Now just gotta section them off. Yeah, I bet that stinks just a little bit. Only able to get 3 out of that. It'll be okay. I'm gonna have to draw my holes as well. Take it to the chop saw, cut it out. Got my new handy assistant here. Let's get this. Get the top one in.
Both of them. Put it tight.
That didn't work, did it?
This isn't the easiest project. Gotta have it done with great force.
Give me that little knuckle piece there.
Knuckle?
But, yep. Inconsistent.
Let me see if I can put onto it.
You shouldn't have to.
Next level.
Well, my assistant decided she had one or things to do. And I had to re-drill a little bit of the holes, making my hair bigger for this project. And it's probably best to use a hand tool here. Well, the nice thing is the wheel spins all the way around, free of obstructions. So that's what we needed. All right. Now that we got the first wheel completely installed, got all the bugs worked out, life's gonna go a little faster here. We over-drilled the holes, makes this easier. And the automated tool only really works for the ones that are not tight against the cabinet. The ones on the far upper edge can't quite get to, so have to use the old hand tools. Now that we got that one on, we'll move number 3, get it in place, get it attached. Used 1/2-inch plywood laying around, and the carriage bolts, nuts, lock washers were also on hand. Not sure if I bought them for a previous use or where exactly they came from. And anyhow, until I ran out of carriage bolts there, so I got my assistant to help me here again. She'll help hold the wrench since it's so far in. She likes to help, makes life fun. Don't forget to comment if you see something you need information on. And seems to roll pretty good. So that's that. Get the shelves put back in. Wrap this project up once and for all. Well friends, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. This is complete as far as I can go, unless I ever do something without the cavity. I can throw hoses or extension cords in it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks.